how to clear message cache on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click Hub, and after that click these three lines here in the top corner and click Settings, and then click Accounts, click App Settings, and scroll down, and here we'll find Clear Message Cache, and that's it, cache cleared. And you can clear all if you want, and message cache also will be cleared. And I hope that can help you. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.